I'm Anton Pasquale, 19 years old, racing in Formula Renault European Championship and aspiring to be a Formula 1 driver.
I've been racing for about 6 years now. I started in go-karts when I was 13 years old. As a youngster, I was always sort of interested in motorsport, cars, motorbikes, any sort of thing that went pretty quick.
I'm currently working on a project with the Air Force and got the opportunity to go up in the fighter Hawk jets. There was a long process in the build-up to the flight. There was a medical in the morning, followed by sort of a safety brief and an understanding of all the equipment that I had on.
Here we go, this is the G-suit you'll be wearing today.
Yep. Pilots have a G-force suit, and that's a whole different experience, and sort of having these air bladders sort of pressurised parts of your body to take G-force, and it was a bit of a shock having sort of something squeeze my stomach and my leg. There's a lot more equipment than what we need to race a car, and you feel quite enclosed in this outfit. As you approach the Hawk, it's sort of looking down on you, and where in a racing car you sort of jump in over the top of it. It sort of changes your perspective as you go into it. It was a pretty cool feeling, and it was actually smoother than what I thought. The speed was quite high, and there was a bit of force behind that. Once we got comfortable just flying around and that was all good, then the movements took place, and so we sort of started going like left to right, and that's when this G-force suit was just doing its own thing, and the force on your body is completely different to a race car. A race car sort of just side on, and you're sort of feeling it like in your neck and your shoulders, but in this, there's forces coming from other angles. The view was amazing. You could look over the ocean, you could look over where we just come from, and you have that whole wide scope of view, and that's pretty amazing. It was a very cool experience. It was a big thrill, and something I'll remember for a long time.